Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel Merrily on Time Watch Reviews. It is Friday, September 27th, 2024, the release date of this video. It is the second of 5 collaborations that I am unboxing, and today's collaborator is Welly Merck. Welly Merck sent me this watch to do an unboxing and a review. They sent this watch to me for free. That's why you saw the includes paid promotion. I am able to, I have free reign to discuss everything about this watch. I just simply received the watch for free. There is no influence from the owner of Welly Merck on the content of this video. This is quite an interesting piece, so I'm going to unbox it for you today, give you the basic specifications, show you the website where you can pick one of these up, and do an up close and personal. I want to hear your thoughts and impressions of this watch, which I will include when I do the full review video, which will have my likes and gripes, of course. The review video will be a little shorter than a typical full review, simply because I'm covering some of the stuff that I would do in a review video in this unboxing. So with that, thank you for tuning back in. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment as we go through this video. And yeah, let's take a look at this Welly Merck. All right, guys, so this is the package that you were getting with this particular watch. Now, unlike the first collaboration I did on the Tandorio watch, this one you can purchase on Aliexpress. In fact, they recommend that you purchase this on Aliexpress or their website. I will leave links for both below. The Aliexpress link will be an affiliate link, and I would appreciate you using it. And Welly Merck is also offering, as the Tandorio unboxing did, Welly Merck is also offering a 10% discount by using the code MERLY10. And so it's just a simple cardboard box, but what is really nice about this one is it comes with a travel container. And so this is really nice for it holds a single watch, but really nice for traveling. So you got a really nice travel case. There is a spring bar or a pin removal tool as well. I removed one link off of this bracelet, which is inside the removal tool, and you get your tags and a booklet or a little pamphlet as well. But let's take a look at this watch. When Welly Merck reached out to me, and I looked at their website, this is the watch that I picked. And this is a military style watch, and it's got a nice solid bracelet with a butterfly clasp on it. It has the Miyota 8215 automatic movement with a display case back, all solid stainless steel, including the bezel. I'll let you have a closer look at it. And of course, we're going to have the up close and personal in just a second. But here it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. In a new segment on my review videos that I am calling the Viewers Say What? I will highlight some of your comments and your impressions of the watch. So you do have a nice brushed finish on the bracelet here. And again, butterfly deployant on this bracelet. Display case back showing the automatic movement. And of course, here is the watch. So we will get Super Cali out and spec this out for you. You're looking at a case size of 44 millimeters, let's call it. Your thickness is 13 millimeters. Your lug width, I believe, is a 22. Yeah, so the lugs are going to be 22. I'm not sure if there's much of a taper in this bracelet going down to the butterfly clasp. There is a 2 millimeter taper to the clasp on the bracelet. And the lug-to-lug length on this is going to be 49 millimeters. So under 50 millimeter lug-to-lug. This watch will be wearable for those of you with 7-inch wrists, even a little bit lower than that. Definitely, I think this is a nice offering. It does have a unidirectional 120 click bezel, and as you can see, the second crown here will rotate the the directional northwest, north, south, east, and west. So it's a bidirectional compass bezel rehaut. I should say rehaut in there. All right. So let me take you to the website and let you see what you can get this one for and the other variants that you can get it in. All right, guys, so the owner of the brand told me that he recommended my viewers purchase from Aliexpress, and when I went over to the Amazon site, it was $30 plus more on Amazon than it is on Aliexpress, and so I'm only going to link the Aliexpress site to this video for that reason. As you can see, it's $134.70. That's US dollars. You can get it in the silver or this PVD coated black. I kind of really liked the silver, so that's the one I chose for them to send me. And with the Merly 10 discount code, you can get an additional 10% off of that price. And as a disclaimer, the links to the Welly Merck store on Aliexpress, as well as the link to the watch, will be an affiliate link. I'll get a bit of a commission for any sales that take place. And so, yeah, you're going to get this for a really nice price with that 10% discount code. So let's go up close and personal with this watch now. The montage that I do in my review videos, I wanted to do it in this video to give you guys a bit of a closer look at the watch. And in the segment, the viewers say what? In the actual review video, I'll include some of your comments and your thoughts on this watch based on what you're seeing in this unboxing. So let's get up close and personal right now. hope you enjoyed that, I hope you enjoyed that up close and personal. And yeah, this is a very cool looking watch. Some of you will catch on to what this is a homage of, and I will address that in the full review, but this is what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. And so thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is the unboxing of the Welly Merck. Yeah, full review coming in about a week's time. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And again, guys, thank you for watching. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.